Hi my loves, how are you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Uchechi Rejoice, a Nigerian YouTuber, and welcome back to another vlog. I decided to start this vlog this morning, even though I don't really have an idea what this vlog is going to be all about, but fingers crossed, I know it's going to turn out well by the grace of God. I have a couple of things that I'll be doing today. Yeah, I have a few places that I'll be going, and as usual, I will take you guys alongside with me, running all my day-to-day activities. And there's something I noticed, guys. I've been reacting to something. I haven't figured out what exactly I'm reacting to. I don't know if it's the food, the water, or maybe weather. I don't know, but whatever it is that I'm reacting to, let it better not be food, because I'm not planning to stop eating any food so far. All the foods that I've had since I came here, I've been enjoying them. So if it's the food, the reaction should better look for someone else, because not me. This particular person will keep eating and eating. Hey guys, can you guys guess where we will be going today? Yeah, we, because I'll be taking you guys along. Can you guys guess? I'm trying to moisturize my face. So can you guess where we will be going today? Because I'll be taking you guys alongside with me. So let me tell you, we will be going to the Times Square today. Yeah, we'll be going to the Times Square today, and as you all know, it's always fun, with me. So I will take you guys along. I just, by the way, this is what I'm using to moisturize my face. This CeraVe face. I've been hearing wonderful things about the Times Square. I've been seeing it on movies, pictures on the internet, but I have not seen it with my two kuru eyes. So we'll be going there today, live and direct. Let's see what the whole place looks like. Let me see if it's worth the hype, and let me see if it's exactly what I'm seeing in the movies and in pictures. So I'll be seeing it real life today, and I will take you guys alongside with me. But now let me just dress up and prepare.
Kinda wish I was. I'm torn between my dignity and giving more to see. And I'm
What's your name, sweetie? Becky? Everybody make some noise for Becky. Make some noise. Now, Becky, listen up, Becky. We're going over, not under. We need everyone to squeeze together. Squeeze together. Tighten up. We call this male bonding. So this is New York.
Just give me the lines you need to read, and I'll say them. From everything I've seen, there's no more mystery. All there is seeing, and there's no more left to see. 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 Everyone, not her, but kinda wish I was. I'm torn between my dignity and giving more to see, and I'm not the only one, and I hate to pass that to even one. So I contradict myself. Oh, won't you please forgive me, 'cause I'll be next in line to lie and show you life. The song's a misdirect until it sells and gives you life. So I'll step back in line. So now step back in line. So now step back in line. There's no more left to see. Step back in line. So now step back in line. While it's all on the table, I'm not real. I lead the life you want from me, and I show it too. Not different from anyone. wish I was. I'm torn between my.
So this particular restaurant is called Lagos and is in New York, and here they sell different Nigerian foods. They sell Nigerian soup, Nigerian jollof, pepper soup, name it. Any type of Nigerian food that you want is being sold here, and trust me, it's very delicious. And mainly Africans and other races do come here to have a taste of the Nigerian dishes that we have, and I must say their foods are very nice and delicious. You should come here and try them out once in a while.
Comparing to everyone, not her, but kinda wish I was. I'm torn between my dignity and giving more to see, and I'm not the only one. And I hate to pass that to even one, so I contradict myself. Oh,